my forever date. Yeah. What's me? Nang kwaiti.
So dolls, this is Big Mama's outfit. This is what I ordered. Meat only indoor the ears of a fuzz.
On the channel. And yeah.
Let me do this. Why? Why aren't you just sitting? Dolls, I hope this thing is sitting on the right way. I'm back. I'm back from the beautiful sightseeing Johannesburg little excursion that we just embarked on. Guys, Joburg is pretty. As in vele ngizosho kanjalo ngoba nazi ezingqulile nina ngisho ngiunderstand ukuthi wayinisho kanjani nazi ezingqulile nazi ngale ngase small street ne la ku fail khona kunuka okay John mawazi leyo job mina ngazi ngale bo Bram bo museum bo what no Melville bo what Rosebank job no job asixoxa kakhulu. But I got a goodie bag, so I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. Ultimately, we were just going like sightseeing, right? And so Auntie Relay, Luanda's aunt, had booked us this excursion with Luanda's other 4 cousins. Guys, my friends' cousins are so cool, guys. Yo, cousins, like overall, I'm a cousins. Clock it. But anyway, so I got this goodie bag, so I want to just unbox it with you guys. We were so busy, like, so we did, guys, and we saw a lot of celebrities. Guys, I saw Leshay, the choreographer, Tyler's choreographer. As in, but firstly, we were doing a sip and paint, and I decided to just paint a YouTube logo thingy with my handle on it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. This is how I love YouTube. Like, I love my channel so much. And also, my friend also made like a saying that she always say when she starts a vlog, the essence of becoming Lula. Like, so what but think like Yonale, finish the sentence. Cool. So we got these. We got these MTN bucket hats. Oh my gosh, this is like weird, like, but it's nice, it's so cute. Like, washing. Advertise with MTN. And then we also got, this goodie bag is so nice. We also got this. What is this? Guys, and the artworks that we have seen in these museums. Out of this world. Guys, so I'm gonna stick this. Oh, baby, I love this. I think I want to do like this. Made me just want to tap into like something like within the arts industry. Whether it's like being the photographer or like curating the outfits or like something within the arts, because art is overall cool, especially when it comes to like these things, the drawings and the whatever. So we've got that as well. We got another bucket hat. The other bucket hat has basically this one is just like a cool cute one, and it also has this Boza Jabu. I'm so exhausted. I haven't cut the lantern. Then we got him. Muntu ushayitiya kanje kuseni. Mina vele ngiphuza ngamalona wezenga ngisho mina ngizobe ngishaya kwi PR package. Yeah. This is so nice. The Department of Arts and Culture. the museums of South Africa, period. Period. This is so nice. This is so nice. This is a staple. I like this. And then we got this. We got a cute little pen. Essential, guys. Black pens. I realized this, like in high school, they don't tell you that you need a black pen everywhere you go when you, like, out of high school. Like, you need a black pen. Like, it's an essential. So, love this for myself. I also got this. Like a little, like, key chain thingy from MTN. This was like a lento lena, guys, but lento lena and this as well. We got a few thingies as well. Look at this. What's this? Make an online donation to support our work in preserving and presenting the CCAC Constitutional Court Art Collection. Period. We went to the Constitutional Hill. Stunning. Guys, I'll forever be in favor of Winnie. Like Winnie Mandela over Madiba any day. Mandela. And this bonama jokey wakhe lapha yana we boxing day. You know, usizile mara usize half usiniki freedom, a dummy freedom. And then guys, I'm gonna start getting to the history of South Africa. Guys, the history of South Africa is phenomenal. Especially like integrating it with the arts, you know, because most of the arts that we went to see had like meaning, especially at like the Constitutional Hill. Yo, guys, my future husband ne mafuna impressa yabona ngiyakutshela manje akusho udinga ukutshelwa wena vele nina abafana bathi days ngidinga ukutshelwa angisho angazi nifunde kanjani nina yabona ngidinga ukutshela ukuthi you treat somebody like this, you do like anyways, so we got this art and justice thingy. It looks like this, and then we also got this. What's this one? This we are the tong. Anyways, I'm guessing this is like a t-shirt, and then we also got like a little cute t-shirt from MTN as well. Can't wait to wear this. Are they sponsored by MTN? The founder, yeah. MTN is the founder of this, yeah. City sightseeing Johannesburg. Guys, worthwhile. And then we also went to the Wits Museum. Lena, I can't go boa. Lady wanted the clips again. You guys saw the clips? Yeah, I hope you did. I hope you did. I hope you did, because what are you doing if you didn't? Hello? Cool. We got the Wits thingy. We got the homecoming, the return of Johannesburg Art Gallery collection. I'm gonna read all of these things. Like, these things are so cool. And then obviously we got the tote bag from the Jersey Amuse Festival of Museums. Period. Hey my dolls, I'm currently running late, so don't mind me just explaining this swiftly. My friend and I are taking ourselves out to go to kind of like a brunch / dinner type of thing, just so we can catch up. It's been a while since we went out. The last vlog we did go out, but it was just like an excursion, right? So now we are going to exclusively fine dining our things. Like, this is just our things. Like, my friend and I just love fine dining, so we are just going to a restaurant called Zakaya in Hyde Park. So this is my makeup, guys. I'm so proud of myself. My makeup actually came out good, and I did it in like 30 minutes. Like, it was so quick. We are so late. Our reservation was at 1 p.m. It is currently 2, and I predicted this in the morning because I come from my dad's place for the holidays. I came here quickly. I bathed. Guys, but I just wanted to introduce this vlog. Let's go to Zakaya. Mwah. So dolls, this is Big Mama's outfit. So I'm wearing my hair and also my heels. Here are my heels. So this is my outfit. I look too good. My driver has arrived, guys.
But she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke niggas. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead, get down. Get down, girl, gon' ahead. Cutie the bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I could tell you rock, I could tell.
My bestie! Period!
Got my teeth out. I'm wearing like feral jeans.
Kafazi! Back like So we just got here and we just ordered our drinks. Guys, this restaurant is stunning, like stunning. And it is Japanese. Like I was thinking, I want Mexican, I want Mexican, what, but it is Japanese. We're about to order our food now and have some good conversations. My Betty looks beautiful. My guy, him, your game, Lala. Enjoy your game. But yeah, the baddest have arrived. I don't know why you didn't say my trips are many. That's still a diary's wedding to share. Yeah. Yeah. So dolls, our food just arrived. This is what I ordered. Meat only. Indoda iyaga bafaz. Indoda iyaga. And the gorgeous. The mother of the gorgeous people is obviously having romaine sanaki. Romaine. Say Japanese girl. Say Japan. Say Japan. Hi dolls, I really hope that this music doesn't get me copyrighted, but we're having such a good time with my bestie. It's a lot more hours later. Didn't actually vlog that much, which I actually loved because we always vlog when we go out, but we just had like cool chats and it's been a while since we like went out together. So we're just catching up on some good stuff. My friend and I both did our makeup today and we ate. Like guys, my makeup today, my makeup game is up. Slowly but surely, my makeup game is up. My bestie, dolls, we have finished with our dinner. All types of names, dolls, Bafaz, Elisha Gelen, Bafaz. So we are currently, guys, we didn't even get pictures. Like, oh, calls Akaya service. Yes, Bora Shrim, Bast Landela, but you can't take pictures. Shut up. Oh, anyways, looked scrumptious today. These heels are murdering us. However, we will never take them off because we're the girls that we think we are. Anyways, yeah, we're about to leave now. And I gotta take all they badass to show biz. Okay, get your kids, but then they got their friends. I put up in the bin.